So, what we are doing now then is introducing the data that we have, that we want to work with in our spreadsheet. Spreadsheets emerged for the most part for carrying out calculations with numeric units, so it is natural that we are able to easily enter given amounts, each one in each cell. It is important to know that each cell is an element of an individual datum. So, for example, if I have a series of data, I will enter the numbers and with the Enter key we move to the next cell. In this case, it has sent us directly to A2 because it thinks that it is the cell where we naturally will put the second datum. The second datum could be any, for example 34. We see that, as we enter a datum, we see that it changes here in this status bar. It tells us that we are not long in list status as we are when we are selecting a cell, but rather we are in data entry mode. We're in writing mode. And we see that effectively in the cell where we were situated, in what was the active cell, it is entering the values I am keying in. I hit 4 and for example if I now hit 5, we see also that in the formula bar it indicates the contents that I am entering. If I enter one more figure. Okay, until I have the number that I want, 345, and I hit the Enter key. This allows us to modify or alter, or if we see that we have gone wrong at any point, or change a datum. If we see that 345 was not right, that I have entered it wrong, it was 34, we position ourselves in the formula bar and the datum that is entered here, we can, using the backspace, we can delete the last figure. Okay, until we are clear, and then in that moment we validate it. We press Enter, and this datum is validated. Okay, and so we would enter all the data that we want to work with.